Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is about pole training. Today we're going to go over the concept of curling and how it'll strengthen your arms, your triceps, your biceps, your wrist, and help you with your dragon pole training. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
The next exercise we're going to work on is called curling. So, ideally, like I said, if you can't work the back because the pole's too heavy, all right, choke your way up on the pole. So from here, the pole is in the center, my opposite hand is down by my side, and it's a real simple exercise. We're going to rotate, we're going to curl out to the side and curl back in. 2, and back, 3, and back, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Remember, work your way to 6 sets of 20.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.